Hazrat Abu Moosa Ash'ari radiyallahu anhu reports, we were in Yemen when we got the news of the Prophet's departure from Makkah Mukarramah. We, I and my brothers, migrated to him. I was the youngest of my brothers. The name of the one was Abu Burda and the one was Abu Ruhum. Perhaps then he said, we were a few men, or he said that they were 52 or 53 men who all belonged to his people. So we embarked a boat, but the boat took us to Najashi in Ethiopia. There we met Hazrat Jafar and his companions. So Hazrat Jafar radiyallahu anhu told us that Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam had sent us to Ethiopia and commanded us to stay there. So you should also stay here. We stayed with them till we all together met the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam at the time when he sallallahu alaihi wasallam had conquered Khaybar, and he sallallahu alaihi wasallam allotted us the share, or he said he sallallahu alaihi wasallam granted us the share, whereas he sallallahu alaihi wasallam did not give anyone a share who had not participated in Khaybar expedition saves us, the people of the boat, Hazrat Jafar and his companions. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam granted all of them a share along with the Mujahideen. Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 3136.